Many people have already tried this cream that we are going to present today, and its number is increasing more and more. This cream gives you excellent results in a very short period of time. We all strive for the perfect body, which is a recipe everyone should try. The excellent results will appear in only several days. This miraculous cream has the ability to eliminate accumulated fat, in addition to significantly reducing cellulite, but also helps to return the skin to its place, because we all know that it can loosen during the process of weight loss. The good thing about this effective cream is that it has no side effects. You can also use it to remove the accumulated fat in the belly, to lower the volume of the abdomen, thighs, and in any other area where you want to lose fat and weight. A natural method to eliminate fat from the waist. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of Vicks VapoRub, 5 tablespoons of lemon cream, 15 grams of magnesium sulfate, 1 roll of cling film. Preparation and application mode. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients well until you get a cream. Apply it in the areas where you want to lose weight, and then wrap it with a little plastic wrap or wrap and cover it with a strip. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and wash the area with warm water. This cream can not only be used to lose weight, but it will also improve the appearance of your skin, and best of all, it will save you time and money. Do not wait any longer and give it a try today so that you will not regret it. The results will be visible at all times and you will be surprised. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for reading, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.